AT&T Message History. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to view AT&T text message history. So let's get started. First, sign into your AT&T account on the official website and then go to My AT&T. Then here select your phone line and open View Usage Details. Keep in mind that AT&T only shows metadata, for example numbers, date and times, and not message content. Use AT&T Messages Backup and Sync. Open the AT&T Message application on your phone and enable backup and sync. You can also visit messages.at.net and log in to view your sync messages. You can request detailed billing, contact AT&T customer support and ask for detailed billing for your line, which includes text history, metadata. You can check directly on your device, view your text message history from the messaging application on your phone. And that's how you will be able to watch your AT&T text message history.